Hi girls, it's Joe Hughes. I'm back here on your WordPress website. We're going to walk through how to use your blog, which should be familiar to you guys because your current blog is a WordPress blog. So I'm not sure if you access it this way currently, but this is how it's going to be for now on. You're going to access your blog through your website. It's all in one now. So it's just one login. It's the same thing, admin and admin. Go into login. And before, when we were looking at making content changes, we were looking at pages, appearance, menus, and whatnot. To manage the blog, we're just going to go up here and click posts, and we are going to go in and click add new, and we're going to call this test post 2, and we're going to go down here and type in the editor, this is a test post for the new blog. And usually on a blog post you want to add an image. It just makes it more visually appealing and engages people more, and you guys have a lot of photos, so it's probably a good thing to do anyway. So what we're going to do is very similar, actually exactly the same to what we did for the pages of your website. Go up here to add media, and instead of uploading a new file, I'm just going to click one that's already here, which is the one that we worked with in the first video, to change a photo on your About Us page. Click that, make sure it's bordered in blue and has a blue check mark, and I'm going to make this medium, and you can change the alignment to center, left, or right. I usually do left on my blog. That's just personal preference. And we're going to go insert into post. So there's your picture, there's your text. Usually I put my picture above the text, so we can move that down if we want. That's X. Okay, never mind. Put that back. Now we can go over here to add some categories, and I had already added one called blog. You can add a new one that's called try, just to keep things simple. Add new category, and then we can go down here to add some tags. We can add Friday, we can add testing, and then your little tabs, your tags appear down here. So we have our text and we have our photo in our blog post. One additional thing we need to do is set the featured image, and I'll show you why later, but this is important so your blog looks professional. So you want to set featured image, make sure you click that same image that you used in your post, or you can click another one, but 90% of the time you're going to want to click the same one, and then set featured image, and that's it. It's down there, and I'll show you where that appears later. So now we're going to go up to publish, and your blog post is going to be live. So we can go click here to view the post, and here is your test post 2, posted on February 1st. Here's your text, here's your photo, here's your categories, here's your tags, and here's where people can leave comments. And I'll clean this up a little bit actually, but people can leave comments for you. And what I was talking about, the featured image before, so this is just one post, but if you were to click blog up here, then you would see all your posts. So we have test post 1, post 1, hello world. These are just dummy posts. So when all your blog posts are shown here, this is your featured image. This is a featured image. See, this post does not have a featured image, so it kind of looks dumb. So you just want to make sure that it looks good, add your featured image in there. It's just kind of a thumbnail, and in order to read one of these posts, you just click on it and go from there. So that's your blog. I don't think there's much else to it. Again, you're probably familiar with it already, and if you're not familiar with this back end, this way of editing your posts and adding posts, and you have any more questions, let me know. So that is your WordPress blog.